Question number or example 7.6. So whenever I given example 7.6, 7.1, 7.8, remember all these questions are from your textbook and these are a solved example. So this is a solved example of a textbook, and many times these questions are repeated in old IME question paper also. So 7.6 question, this is in your BS Grewal, this is chapter number 7, and this is a 7.6 as a solved example. So question is evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral e raised to x to e dy dx upon log y by changing the order of integration. Okay, so I want first step by you only. So can you suggest me what should be the first step here? Yes. How we change the order of integration? Yes, Roshit, I think.
Sir, drawing the curves of
Yes.
e to the power x
Okay.
and e.
E. So only you are saying e raised to x curve. So tell me the
Sir, y is equals to e to
okay,
the power
correct. So step number one, these limits gives us the equation of curve. You will observe these limits are in terms of x. The inner limits are in a variable x, so that should be of variable y. So don't yes, the order is also given correctly there, so it is a dy dx only. So the region is bounded by, the first we should say the region is bounded by y is equal to e raised to x, y is equal to e, then next x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So generally we get four equation of the curve. It is always there whenever we have to change the order. Yes, we have four equations from the four limits. Inner limits right now for y, so we get two equations for y from inner limit. Outer limits are of x, so we get two equations for x from the outer limit. Once we get all these four curves, we have to draw it. We have to trace this curve. So we want just rough nature of the curve. So no need to draw the perfect correct curve there. So it is a rough nature. So e raised to x. Yes, anyone? What is the nature here?
always increasing
Yes.
upwards
And what about
Exponentially.
intersection point?
at
0, comma 1.
0 comma 1.
0 comma 1 is a correct answer. So it intersect because the curve is here. Y is equal to e raised to x, and if you observe on y-axis, x is a 0, so e raised to 0 is 1. So this coordinate of this point is a 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 is the intersection point of y equal to e raised to x with the y-axis. Next, y is equal to e.
So a parallel line to x-axis.
Yes, parallel to it. Can I draw below here, below 1? Y is equal to
No,
e?
sir.
No.
2.7.
No, sir.
Yes, e is a 2.71, so we should take above 0 comma 1. So let us this my line y is equal to e. If this is y equal to e and if this is y is e raised to x, so what should be x here? What is the point of intersection? Y is e,
Sir,
y,
1.
x is 1.
1, sir.
Very good. So point of intersection is 1 comma e. Okay, 1 comma e is a point of. Now x equal to 0. Next line is x equal to 0.
Sir,
Yes,
y-axis.
correct. This is the next line that we have, which is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 parallel to y-axis
Y-axis.
and passing through that point because it is passing from x equal 1 comma e. The reason is it is x equal to 1 there. Now tell me what is the region of integration? We got all four curves. These are two straight lines, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, then y equal to e raised to x and y equal to e. So whether it is upper region or this lower region, which is the correct? Which is the required region?
Upper
Upper
region.
region.
Upper
Upper
region
region.
is a correct answer. That's a good identification. But by chance, if someone have the confusion, remember for this region we have all these four boundaries. If you take a lower region, for this lower region, this y equal to e, yes, y equal to e is a boundary in that lower region at a single point. That's okay. But you will observe for this lower region, if you take a vertical strip, if you take some vertical strip, then y will vary from y equal to 0 to y equal to e raised to x. But y is not varying from 0 to e raised to x. It is varying from e raised to x to e. So if you see the limit of y, this is y equal to e raised to x to y equal to e. So that is the correct limit for y here, because that is a vertical strip there. Originally, there is a vertical strip because the order is a dy dx there. And this vertical strip indicates it is e raised to x to e, and that is a correct region there. Once we get this correct region, now our aim is to change the order. So what should be the new position of a strip now?
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Horizontal is a correct choice because we have to change the order now. So if the strip is a horizontal now, the double integral will look like dx dy now, because horizontal strip have the order dx dy upon log of y. What about the limits now? What is the lower limit for x?
0.
It is
Yes.
0.
Lower end
0.
touches
Is
to,
equals
and
to
what
0 to
to
x. X is equals to log y.
x equal to log y is the correct answer. Very good. You will observe why these are the limits. Why these are the limits for x? When we take a horizontal strip, just have to check the left hand is touching to which curve. Left hand touches to x equal to 0 and right hand touches to y equal to e raised to x. But we want limits for x. So x, y is e raised to x, so x is a log y. So the limit of x is 0 to log y. So that's a correct answer. And the last, what about outer limit now? What's the minimum value of y and maximum value of y over the region?
1 to e.
1 to
1 to
e
e.
is a correct answer. You'll observe the minimum value of y at this point is 1 and maximum value, that is 1 to e, is a correct answer. So that about the change of order, because the question is evaluate this double integral by changing the order of integration. As the question is change the order, we change that, and now just we have to evaluate it. Tell me the inner integration. What is the integral of a dx?
For x.
It is just x, and limits are
X.
0 to log 1, and remaining part is a constant because we are integrated with x. So dy upon log y is a constant as it is. So you'll observe when you put upper limit and lower limit, this integration becomes really a simple. Integral of dy is a y. The answer is, final answer is e minus 1. That about the end of the question. Main part is a change of order. We have to draw the curve, flip the strip, means if it is vertical, convert it to the horizontal. If it is horizontal, convert to the vertical, find the limits and do it. Any doubt here?
No,
Sir,
sir.
can you
No,
explain once
sir.
more that
Which,
how did you find the limit of x?
Sir, that x equal to log y, that one is
Yes,
doubt.
sir, that only x is equal to log y. How did you
Yes,
get
sir.
that?
Can you just tell it again?
okay. If you see this horizontal strip, the horizontal strip touches, okay, this first it is touches to the curve. Left hand touches to x equal to 0, so that is a lower limit for x. Right hand touches to, right hand of the strip touches to y equal to e raised to
Y
x.
equal to e power x.
So if y is e raised to x, what is the value of x? Then x is a log y, no? You take log on both sides. So log y is equal to x there, and that is the, because why we are writing, because we are writing the limit of x. As we are writing the limit of x, you should write x in terms of y. So here y is given in terms of x, that is y is e raised to x. So what is x? X is a log y, no? That's one. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whenever you take a limit of x, you have to check the left hand touches to which curve and the right hand touches to which curve. Actually, this strip is not a stationary. One of the most important thing you should know, this strip is not a fixed. This is actually a drag with the minimum to the maximum value of y. What is the minimum value of y? That is 1. So strip can be at y equal to 1 and strip can be at y equal to e. So that is the position of the strip, can be anywhere in between, but throughout the region, the lower end touches to x equal to 0 and upper end touches to x equal to log y. And because of that, 0 to log y is a limit for x there. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, no doubt. Okay, and if you complete it, you can tell me. Okay, so he's saying, sir, even if it is not mentioned to change the order of integration, can we change the order? Yes, you can. Whenever it is not mentioned and just question is evaluate, choice is your. Okay, choice is your, but unnecessary. Why you will waste your time to change the order if directly you can evaluate it? If you cannot evaluate, then you can think about it. 1 comma e is a point of intersection. How we, Chirag, you will clearly observe this point, this intersection point is of intersection of two or more than two curves. So just solve two curves simultaneously. One is x equal to 1 and another is y equal to e. So point is 1 comma e. Okay, x equal to 1 and y equal to e. These two straight line will intersect at the point 1 comma e. Is it? Or you can solve y equal to e raised to x with x equal to 1. You will get the coordinates. This is a common thing, simple thing, number of times we done. Whenever we require a point of intersection, just you have to solve that two equations simultaneously. Okay, this is not new. Okay, can I move to the next question then, if you've done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So the next question here. So this is a solved example and we'll see this is the answer there, e minus 1. And this is the partial graph they drawn. We generally draw a complete graph there. So, okay. Example 7.7. Again, this is the solved example of the textbook. Our aim is to evaluate integral 0 to 4a, integral x square upon 4a to 2 root ax dy dx. Remember, yes, the order is correctly given there, dy dx, because you will observe the limits, inner limits are in terms of x, so that should be of y. So the region is bounded by, what are the equations? Y equal to y is equal to
So 2 into root ax and
okay,
then x
x
square by
equal to
4a.
0 and x equal to 4a.
4A.
Okay, so these are the four curves we get. Just we have to draw these curves again. The first one, y equal to
Sir,
x
it is
square,
an
y
upward parabola.
upper parabola. Even power of x indicates the symmetry is about y axis. Actually, it is x square equal to 4ay. So write it as x square is equal to 4ay. So that about the first curve. Then y equal to 2 root ax.
Right hand side parabola.
Correct. It is a right hand parabola. Actually, it is y square equal to 4x. Okay, y square equal to 4x. Rough sketch we are drawing at the end. So y square is equal to 4x. X equal to 0.
Sir, y-axis.
Next line is x equal to 0. And last line, x equal to 4a. But before that, can you tell me this point of intersection? You have to solve these two equations simultaneously. Or you can just check whether 4a satisfies that both equation. If you replace x by 4a, what is y?
4A.
And you,
Plus minus
so
4A, but here it is in first quadrant, so 4A.
yes. So you'll observe this the x, the 4a x equal to 4a and y equal to 4a satisfies both the equation. You can get this point of intersection. If you're not getting this way, what you have to do it? You have to solve these two equations simultaneously at the same time, or you can solve x equal to 4a to this one. You get y as 4a there. So this x equal to 4 is a line parallel to y-axis, and this is x equal to 4a. The region is in between these two straight line x equal to 0, x equal to 4a, and between that two parabolas. So the required region is this one. Okay, that's the region of integration. What should be the new position of a strip?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Okay, majority of the time we are. So I take this horizontal strip. What about the lower limit of x now? Yes, lower limit for x.
Y square by
X
4.
square by 4.
See, lower end touches 2. This curve. X square upon 4a is not correct answer. We are getting the limit of x now, na? So x is, from this equation, x is y square upon 4a. You will observe y square upon 4a is the correct answer. Next, what about the right end?
Sir,
Four-A-Y.
2 into root ay.
X
Two
equal
root.
to, okay, you can write in different ways. So I will write x equal to root 4ay or 2 into root ay. Both are correct. I just write root 4ay. And lastly, the minimum and maximum value of y over the region.
0 to 4.
0 to 4a is the correct answer. That's one. It's actually the point 0, 0, and that's the answer 4a comma 4a. Because of that, we'll get this. So that's the change of order. Any doubt in change of order first?
No.
You have to see the left hand and right hand touching to each curve whenever the strip is horizontal. Now just integrate it one by one and find out the answer. You can tell me the answer. See, this is one of the simple, and whenever integrand is actually 1, indirectly what we are doing actually, we are calculating the area of that shaded region. This is the example of area of a shaded region actually. We'll come to the application at the end. Right now, indirectly we are calculating the area of a shaded region. Integral of dx is x. Integral of dx is x, and if we put upper limit minus lower limit, we'll get this one. That about the inner integral first. First integration of dx is x, then we replace upper limit minus lower limit there. So two step I done here directly. Now integration we have to do it. So root 4a, this root 4a as it is. What's the integration of root y? Quick.
1 upon 2 root.
Pardon?
1 upon 2 root.
I'm asking integration.
2
Not
upon 3 into y to the power 3 by 2.
correct. That is the correct answer.
Sorry,
So previously you told me the differentiation integral of a root
Yes,
y.
sir, sorry.
Yes, this happens generally. You always confuse with the formulas of derivative and integration, and mainly in these cases like root x or log x. So that time integration and differentiation many student confuses. Okay, so you should be careful there. So it is y raised to half is there. So y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So that upon 3 by 2 becomes into 2 by 3 and y raised to 3 by 2 minus just you have to put upper limit and lower limit and you have to simplify and you have to get that required answer. So actually it is a 4a raised to half and it is a 4a raised to 3 by 2 now when we put upper limit. So half plus 3 by 2, 4 by 2, it is a 4a square only. So when you put upper limit, it becomes 2 by 3, 4a square only minus 4a cube divided by 12a. This you have to simplify and you can tell me the answer there.
Sir, minus 8 square by 3.
Minus is not the answer.
Just 7 square by 3.
Sir, 16 square by 3.
I think 16a square by 3 is the correct answer. 16a square by 3. Let me check. Yes, I think Harsh also given 16a square by 3. Yes, 16a square by 3 is the correct answer here.
Yes, sir, it is actually, I did a
Yes.
mistake. So,
Okay, no issue. It is main thing is you done that calculation your own, so you know where you are making the mistakes and you can correct it. But those who are not doing their own, they have the problems. Those who are just copying from the PPT, definitely you will face problems at the time of exam then, because you don't have a practice at all. Are you
Sir,
complete?
in the
Yeah.
in this diagram, y square equals to 4ax, it's written 4ay. Figure 7.8.
This in diagram. This one.
Yes.
So it is written correct. X square equal to 4a.
Y square equals to 4ax.
Okay. By mistake they written correct. So there are some typing mistakes in the textbook. So you should have your own judgment. That what should be there? It is y square equal to 4x should be correct. So this should be x. Are you completed this? Can we move to the third question?
Yes, sir.
So this is the 7.8, second last question for today. Change the order of integration and evaluate. First tell me the boundary equation. What should be the boundaries?
y is equal to ax.
Y is equal to root x, no? Why x?
Under
Tx, root x.
Even though it is a dx dy written, don't confuse with that dx dy. The limits are in terms of x. So as limits are in terms of x, that should be of y. So y is a root x, y is
Y
a,
is equal to a.
x is 0, and x is 8. So you have to tell me these curves. What about the first? Y equal to root x represents
Sir, it is again an upward parabola.
y
The right
square
hand side parabola.
right hand side parabola, because it is a y square equal to x, even power of y.
Oh, sorry.
Don't
Yes,
be in
sir.
a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. So draw a
Yes,
rough
sir.
curve there. So it is a y square equal to 4ax. So not only it is only ax, not 4. Y square equal to ax curve that we draw. And y equal to a.
The parallel line to x-axis.
Okay, so somewhere here I will take y equal to
And sir, x is a.
a. X is also a.
Intersection.
So a comma
Okay.
a. Next line. X is 0.
y-axis.
And x equal to a. Which one is the region? This one, this one, this one. Region first of all is between x equal to 0 and x equal to a. Then y equal to root x to y equal to a. So which one is the region?
Upper portion.
upper.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the correct y. If you take vertical strip, if you take simply like this vertical strip, you'll observe y will vary from y equal to root x to a. So here is y is root x, and here is y is a, and that is only the given limit. You'll observe. So because of that, that's a correct choice of the region. Okay, this is the correct choice of the region. We have to change the order. So new position of the strip should be Before that, I will shade the region. Yes, the new position should be horizontal only. What about the lower limit now? 0. 0 is the correct answer. Okay, now about upper limit.
I square
So,
upon
Y
A.
square upon
root over a by a ax, sorry. Root over ax.
So x equal to 0 to x equal to y square upon a. Y square upon a. Next, what about the minimum and maximum value of y over the region?
0
to
to
a.
A.
0 to a. That's one. So this is the change of order, and now the evaluation part only left. So integrate first with x, and this is 0 to a. Integrand, okay, by mistake. Integral is not only y square. Integrand is y square upon root of y4 minus a square x square. How to integrate this?
Sir, y square
Y
will be
square.
considered as constant, so it will be
Hmm?
of the form
Hmm?
root sine sine 1 upon
Hmm?
sine inverse x upon a.
Okay, so yes, the formula you are using correct, but we should convert in that form.
Convert.
We
We
know
have to convert.
we know the form is integral of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. So this only variable should be there. So let me take this a square common. If we take a square common, that comes outside the square root with only a. Okay, and we left with say dx upon square root of y square upon a bracket square minus x square, and that dy as it is. So this is a constant. Y square upon a is constant. This y square upon a is also constant. Now we have that formula. The formula is let I write it first. The formula is integration dx upon root of a square minus x square, which is a sine inverse of x upon a plus c. So that's the formula. So let me use this formula, and we write the integral here. So this 0 to a as it is, this y square upon a as it is. This is a sine inverse of, now there is x upon a. So yes, it is x only. Upon a means upon y by a. So I will say sine inverse of ax upon y. That will be left.
Sir, y square.
Square, sir.
Y square will be
Yes,
done.
y square is there. And one more thing we left, limit. Okay. Next step is a simple now. When we put upper limit x by y square upon a, what we get?
1 by a.
Sine inverse 1, not 1 by a. Only sine inverse 1.
Pi by 2.
Sine inverse 1 is a pi by 2. And what about sine inverse 0?
0.
0. Correct. And then you have to integrate with y at the end. Complete it and you can tell me the answer.
Pi a by 6.
Pi a by 6, I think you are correct. Let me check. Or pi square by 6 or pi a by 6. Let me check.
Pi a square by 6.
Pi a square by 6
Pi
is.
a square by 6.
So
Pi a square by 6.
correct. Pi a square by 6 is the correct answer. Don't say only pi a by 6. Pi square by 6. In the book, you'll observe in each diagram they're drawing vertical as well as horizontal strip. When they draw vertical strip, yes, we can cross check. We can cross check whether this is the correct region or not. You'll observe the lower end touches to y equal to root x, y is equal to root x, and upper end touches to y equal to a. So that's the correct region because original limits are given root x to a. So that way it is a correct region, and then horizontal strip is drawn, and then we observe that x equal to 0 to x equal to y square upon 4a, that about the limit, and we get this pi square by 6 as answer. If anyone have a doubt, yes, you can ask. Otherwise, I'm going to move to the last question here for today. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Last question. Remember the remaining questions from the PPT, you have to go through that your own. I will share a recorded video for that. Okay. So this is the last question for today of a type 3, where the heading of the question is the same. Change the order of integration and evaluate. I is equal to given 0 to 1, that remaining part. Tell me the boundary equation first.
Y equal to x.
Okay.
So y equal to
Y
x
is equal to
Y
under root 2
square is
minus x
equal
square.
to
2 minus x square root over
Y equal to root
2
of
minus
2
2 minus x
minus
square.
x square.
X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1.
But
Yes.
the important thing is now the curve. Can you tell me the y equal to x?
Sir, a straight line passing through the
A
origin.
straight line
Yes.
passing through the
And
origin.
next curve then.
Circle
Circle.
Circle.
with radius root 2.
Yes, correct. Next is y equal to this. If you square this both side, you get x square plus y square equal to 2. You will get this equation as x square plus y square is equal to 2. So this is a circle with a radius of root 2. So let me draw one circle. X square plus y square equal to 2 there. X equal to 0 then.
Y axis.
Yes, correct. X equal to 0 is a y-axis. And lastly, x equal to 1. Is it passed through this point? X equal to 1.
No, sir.
No. So which point then? So this point is
Intersection.
actually, this point is actually 0, sorry, root 2 comma 0. Intersection point is
1 comma
1 comma 1. Are you getting why it is 1 comma 1? Because it is y equal to x, put here y equal to x, you get x square equal to 1. So y square is so on. So x equal to 1 will be the line from here. So the region lies between x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. And it is between this straight line and the circle. So whether this triangle is a region or this part or this part.
Triangle.
This
Upper.
triangle.
Upper part.
Upper part is the
Upper
correct.
part.
Triangle is not correct. Okay. The reason is, sorry, just 1 minute. If you take vertical strip here, and you think triangle is a region, then y equal to 0 to y equal to x. That will be the limit. And is the limit of y given from 0 to x? No. So triangle is not a correct answer because limits, we are getting the wrong limits for there. But if you take the region, if you take the strip in that upper sector, you will observe y equal to x to y equal to 2 root x minus. So that is the correct region. So that way you can identify region first. I hope there is no problem to identify the region. Now question is change the order. So what should be the new position of a strip? Horizontal, is it?
Yes, sir.
You should tell me the limits now.
Sir, 0 to 2 minus x square, 2 minus y square under root.
X equal to 0 to
Y.
Sir, sir,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Sir, actually, I had a doubt in this figure. Sir, do we have to again break it into two integrations, sir? Because when we are dragging, sir, then it is changing. The curve is changing from a straight line to then a circle.
Yes, Amol, yes, it's a good observation, and that only I want from you only. That is correct. You observed it correctly. So right now, yes, the left hand touches to x equal to 0 and right hand touches to x equal to y. But when we drag it from minimum, what is the minimum and maximum value of y over region? What's the minimum value of y over the region?
Sir, 0.
And maximum?
Sir, root
1.
2.
Root 2 is a correct, 1
Root
is
2.
not. So here is the one more point there, say 0 comma root 2. So root 2 is greater than 1. So 0 to root 2 is the limit for y. But when we drag it from 0 to 1, yes, it will move on the straight line, and after that it start moving on some other part. So it's better there should be one straight line, say y is equal to 1. Now this is the R1. In between these two we have the region 1, and from here to here we'll take R2. Okay, so first strip we taken for region 1, this is R1 here, this side, and this side is R2 there. So we have to take strip also there. So you'll observe the limit of x goes from x equal to 0 to x equal to y, and limit of y goes from, yes, 0 to 1 for this region 1, plus the remaining part remain as it is. What about the limits now? Outer limits first, 1 to 2, 1 to root 2,
Root 2, sir.
and inner limit
1 to
Sir,
1 to
0
root
to
under.
x equal to 0 to
and sir,
x equal
x
to
equal
root
to
of
root
2
over
minus y
2
square.
minus y square.
That's one. So this is looks lengthy now, but yes, we have to do it as it is only. The reason is the question is change the order and evaluate. So because of that, we have to compulsory do this way. Okay, so one integral is splitted into two integrals. The reason is one strip is not enough to cover the entire region. When we drag it from y minimum to y maximum, y minimum is 0, y maximum is root 2. When we drag it from y minimum to y maximum, what happens? This y minimum is 0. From this point to root 2 we have to drag it. Upper end start dragging on this straight line up to here. So that is okay. But after this upper end start varying on this circle. So the equation is changed. So there is a break. We break the region, and we break into two parts. The first one is a region 1 and the other is a region 2 there. Then we taken two separate strips for the separate region, and we get a lower and upper limit there. And can anyone tell me what is the method of integration? How to integrate x upon root of x square plus y square with respect to x?
Sir, substitution we can do
Correct. It is by substitution method. Just put x square plus y square equal to t, and you will get x dx is a dt by 2, and then you will have the integral of 1 upon root t. What is the integral of 1 upon root t?
Sir, root t.
Not correct. Integral of 1 upon root
Minus
t.
2t.
Not correct.
Minus 1 by t.
Integral of 1 by root t.
Sir, root t by
Minus
half.
1 minus 1 by root t.
No.
Can you say it again?
Integral of 1 by root t. Integral of
2 into root t.
Minus
2 into
minus
root
half
t is a correct
by-
answer. 2 into root t is a correct answer, because
Sir,
I am
sir,
asking a formula here. Just see here. Just I will write it on the. I asked this formula. What is the integral of 1 by root t? I asked this one. So it is a t raised to minus half. Integral of t raised to minus half is a t raised to half upon half. So answer should be 2 root t.
Sir, I told root t by half. Sir, it is same, sir.
Okay, okay. You said half. I not heard that. I just heard only root t or root t by 2.
No, sir. Earlier I said root t. I missed half, but again then I
Okay,
said
okay.
it is divided
No
by
issue then. No issue. Okay. If you got it, that's good. So this is the formula that you have to use it. But first you should substitute x square plus y square equal to t, or directly resubstitute the value of t now, and you will get that way also. Okay, we'll do
Sir,
this.
in integrand, only root t will remain because half and 2
Yes,
will get
2 gets
cancelled.
cancelled. That too. Yeah, correct. But I'll show you how to do this. So if we assume that this x square plus y square is t, then x dx is the dt by 2, and you get dt upon root t, and we already seen the integration is root t. Then you have to resubstitute. Remember, whenever you do a substitution, you have to do a resubstitution also. So this is only root t is the answer, and that root t is nothing but resubstitute the value of t, which is x square plus y square. This is a root t. Limits are 0 to y, and then we left as a dy, correct. Okay, and similar integral we get it for the second part also, plus integral 1 to 2 root x square plus y square.
So 1 to root 2.
Sir, one
So
to
one
root
to
two.
Sorry, yeah, 1 to root 2. My mistake. Again, I am writing that. So, and here the limits are 0 to root of 2 minus y square and dy. So that about the inner integral. Now we have to evaluate that outer integral, and we should get that answer. Yes, I know this is a little lengthy question, but yes, this type of a question may come in the exam. We should be ready for this.
Sir,
Yes,
can you explain the upper limit of uh,
upper limit of second integral. Is
yes,
that
sir.
you see the strip first? Position of strip in the region 2 is here. Left hand touches to this line, so this is x equal to 0. Right hand touching on this circle, na? A part of circle. So what is the
Yes,
equation
sir.
of circle? This one. So get the value of x from that circle equation. So x is a 2 root of 2 minus y square. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, clear. Any other doubt? Anyone? So this is also a solved example, as it is a 7.10 number is given. So solved example, I will show you the answer. Anyone got the answer first? I know it is a little lengthy. So better I will show you the answer. You can cross check it later on. So the answer is 1 minus 1 upon root 2. 1 minus 1 upon root 2. You can write the answer in decimal also. If you have the calculator, you can find out. Pardon? Hello? So here is the answer.